I'm pretty weak.
So am I, dude. I'm weaker than you are.
I'm weaker than all y'all. Y'all gonna go?
Alright, we're gonna have like final rounds.
Alright.
Ding ding ding.
4 of us, and you gotta tap when the people tap too. Why start on your knees?
Huh? Oh no. Ooh.
Branson, get out the way.
I think it's a leg locker, dude. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Does that hurt? Does that not hurt at all? Oh god.
Oh god, I know.